The European Union on Wednesday criticized the illegal annexation votes Russia held in 4 occupied regions of Ukraine and their falsified results, the bloc's foreign policy chief, Josep Borrell, said. Criticizing the sham votes on Twitter, Borrell wrote, EU denounces holding of illegal referenda and the falsified outcome. This is another violation of Ukraine's sovereignty and territorial integrity amid systematic abuses of human rights, he said. Meanwhile, European Council President Charles Michel also tweeted, sham referenda, sham results. We recognize neither. On Tuesday, NATO chief Jens Stoltenberg called the votes organized by Moscow in the occupied Ukrainian regions as a blatant violation of international law, which have no legitimacy. On Tuesday, the EU spokesman Peter Stano announced that the bloc would slap sanctions on organizers of the illegal vote. Since Russia's invasion of Ukraine in February, the EU has implemented 6 rounds of sanctions targeting Russian individuals, entities, good exports and technology and banking, as well as an embargo on most Russian oil and coal exports. Kremlin-installed authorities in those regions are already claiming the ballots had gone Russia's way. Russian President Vladimir Putin is expected on Friday to declare those regions annexed parts of Russia, coming under its nuclear umbrella. Ukraine called on the West to significantly increase its military aid to Ukraine after pro-Kremlin authorities in 4 Moscow-held regions of Ukraine declared victory in annexation votes. Ukraine calls on the EU, NATO and the Group of 7 to immediately and significantly increase pressure on Russia, including by imposing tough sanctions and significantly increase their military aid to Ukraine, Ukraine's foreign ministry said in a statement. The statement also said that Russian staged votes in 4 Ukrainian regions on becoming part of Russia were null and worthless, and that Ukraine would press on with efforts to liberate Ukrainian territory occupied by the Russian forces.